with exercise 6.5. Example number 3 means last example. Show the following data by the frequency polygon. What is given, that you have to see the percent of the mark of the student is given and the number of student. Means 7 students have the marks in between 30% to 40%, 33 students have the mark in between 40 to 50%, 45 students have the mark in between 50 to 60%, 65 students have the mark in between 60 to 70%, and 47 students have the mark in between 70 to 80%, 18 students have the mark in between 80 to 90%, and 5 students have the mark in between 90 to 100%. So I told that you have to prepare the chart like this: class mark, frequency, and the coordinates of the point. So I will write the class here: 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, like that. You have to write the class. You have to write the frequency of the particular class in front of that. Then you have to find out the class mark. How you have to find out the class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, like that. The class mark of this class 30 to 40 class mark is 35. 40 to 50 class have the class mark 33. This 50 to 60 class have the class mark 45. 60 to 70 class have the class mark 65. 70 to 80 class have the class mark 75, and 80 to 90 class have the class mark 85, and 90 to 100 have the class mark 95. In this way you have to find out the class mark. Simultaneously you have to write the frequency. Frequency is 7, 33, 45, 65, 47, 18 and 5. In the same manner 7, 33, 45, 65, 47, 18 and 5. But here this first class will not start with the 0. That's why you have to give the crank mark first. And you have to prepare the two classes. Means here first class having frequency 0 and last class also having the frequency 0. And you have to prepare the class such that 20 to 30, and you have to find out the class mark of 20 to 30 as 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is equal to, I will say this will come 25. And you have to again prepare this class have the frequency 0. This class will be 100 to 110. 100 plus 110 divided by 2 is equal to 105. Means coordinates of this point will come 25, 0, and coordinate of the point will come 105, 0. In this way you have to write all the coordinates of the each and every points, and after that you have to start to draw the frequency polygon. But for this you have to prepare the one class, first class having frequency 0 and last class having frequency 0. That's why you have to leave the space for the new classes, and remaining classes you have to write according to our data. Then once you will prepare this data, at that time it is very easy to draw the frequency polygon. Then here from this data you will say that this here the marks of the student and the number of the student. Means 0 student means 0 number of student have the mark 25%. 7 student have the mark 7 students have the mark 7 student have the mark 35%. 33 student have the mark 45%. 45 student have the mark 55%. 65 students have the mark 65%. 47 student have the mark 75%. 18 student have the mark 85%, 5 student have the mark 95%, and 0 student have the mark 105%. Then you have to plot the graph. First, this is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate. So 25, 0. 25, 0, this point will come here. You have to write the coordinate of this point, 25, 0. Then next one is 35, 7. X axis 35, y axis 7. Next point is 45, 33. X axis 45, y axis 33. After 30 you have to take the 3 lines. So I draw like this. This is the third line. Then next point is 50, 55, 45. You have to plot the point properly. Then next point is 65. If the number percent of the mark is 65, 65%, how many students are there? 65 students are there. Then 75%, how many students are getting the 75%? 47 students are getting the 75%. Then how many students are getting this 85%? 18 student have getting the 18 student getting the 85%, and the 95 student getting the 5%, and 105% means 0 students are getting the 105%. Means from this you will say that 0 student getting the 25% mark, 7 student getting the 35% mark, 33 student getting the 45% mark, and you have to say that this 55 means 45 students getting the 55% mark. 45 students getting the 45 student getting 55% mark, 65 student getting 65% mark, then 47 student getting 75% mark, 18 student getting 85% mark, and 5 student getting 95% mark, and this 105% student means 105%, 0 student getting the 105%. So you have to write this is the y coordinate of this. Y coordinate of this point is 0, so 105, frequency is 0. You have to draw like this. After that you have to join these successive points. You have to join the points like this. First of all, you have by the scale you have to join like this. First of all, you have to join this line. Then after that you have to draw this line. Join these lines properly. These points also you have to join. Like this you have to join the points properly. Exactly points you have to join. Once you will draw the exactly join the exactly points, at that time our frequency polygon will be like this. So from the given data you will draw the frequency polygon like this. Here on the x-axis you will take the percentage of mark, and on the y-axis you will take the number of students, and you will draw the graph. Everybody understand? This way you have to draw the graph. Thank you.